A cruise line hired Secureworks to test its onboard customer-facing systems. The Secureworks Counter Threat Unit's Adversary Group sailed into action. They wanted to see if passengers could possibly exploit the ship's public Wi-Fi to bypass fees and get free amenities, such as an unauthorized cabin upgrade. So, the Secureworks team sailed into action and, with grim determination, embarked upon a 2-week cruise of the Mediterranean. As the team began hacking into the ship's Wi-Fi, they made a discovery that no one expected. An ATM in a public area was connected to the ship's administrative network by an Ethernet connection, which the team easily hijacked. With access to that administrative network, they quickly began doing exactly the kind of dirty work the cruise line had feared. But then, things got worse. Using their newly gained access to the ship's administrative network, the team discovered a pathway to the ship's operational network. Access to operational systems meant the potential to take control of everything on board, from bilge pumps to navigation. That was a major security issue. The cruise line had thought those operational systems were air-gapped from the administrative network, but they weren't. Of course, Secureworks' client was happy to learn that their vulnerabilities had been hacked by an ethical hacking team, not a malicious hack by a cybercriminal. As the Secureworks crew ended their cruise, 3 lessons endured from their time aboard. First, never neglect physical security. Not every hacker is sitting in a dark room on the other side of the world tapping tirelessly at a keyboard. Second, always challenge and test even the most confident assumptions. The air gap you believe is protecting you might not really be there at all. Third, no perimeter is 100% secure, so you need a cybersecurity platform that specializes in early detection to minimize impact. Visit Secureworks.com to put your security systems to the test. Until then, bon voyage. Secureworks offers Taegis, a cloud-native security platform that combines security analytics and human intelligence to detect and prevent threats and enable faster, more confident responses.